Welcome to part 20 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Repeat. Repeat. She likes to repeat the same song every day. Propose. Propose. He will propose a new idea at the meeting. Relate. Relate. Can you relate this story to something in your life? Replace. Replace. We need to replace the old batteries with new ones. Approach. Approach. The cat slowly approached the bird. Exchange. Exchange. We exchanged gifts during the holiday season. Fix. Fix. Dad will fix the broken chair tomorrow. Achieve. Achieve. She worked hard to achieve her goals. Transfer. Transfer. They will transfer the files to a new computer. Assume. Assume. We can assume that it will rain today because of the clouds. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.